We Al-Ameenians in the path of truth, in the path of truth. Ya Allah, make our hearts so broad, hearts so bright. Our voices rise in songs of praise, our minds in light, in hearts ablaze. With Quran's wisdom, hearts grow pure. Your light, oh Allah, forever shone. Light divine, light divine,
Let us remember that true love
light divine.
Just become balance, performing, and
Forever shine through faith and love. Endure with Quran's wisdom, hearts grow pure. Min Ameen Muhammad, peace be upon you, peace be upon you. Your life's a land that guides us to At Al-Ameen,
We must
our
also
hearts unite. We
seek the
carry
love
Islam,
Islamic.
you see bright from heart to heart. The flame we share, a light of Noor-e-Ilahi, every guide our hearts, forever shine. Lead us onward, pure and bright, from darkness to divine truth in our eyes, from the Quran's
That our own idea is not good or true.
guided by the
Let's do it.
from darkness to divine light. Ya Allah, make our hearts so bright. Through knowledge, faith, and love we see the path of truth, the path to thee. When we read the holy book so clear, every verse to ours, oh, so sweet. In distance we shine in every word. Your love shines peace be upon you. Your life's a lamp that guides us through your mercy, through your grace. We find our light in every word.
Containing one incorrect fact. And the first position.
Having specific activities here. You guys are all going to take these in a different section. So again, it's command in the Quran to say for eight,
Next salah, raising the voice high.
with regards to back,
Give them a lot of applause. It is fourth option.
I've heard about income tax. I think we get 10 points, 0 to 6.
عليه الصلاة والسلام. They can't say that, so
Heartfelt gratitude. Now begin this
The witness of he is coming back to about 20.
Al-Ameen Public School chairman and participating in this. I may ask my beloved children, we have all studied, it was not in money.
PM Sayeed,